Hello, how are you today? For today's video we have a different kind of video. It's a full guide how to replace a joystick in every controller. Now we add flags to make the solder flow more easy. Okay, let's start with the flags. The flag makes the solder to flow more easy, and also we add the leaded solder to lower the melting temperature. By the way, this controller is from Xbox Series, the blue one. I bought it around €8 from eBay. It has a broken left stick. Okay, now with a heat gun, it's 380 Celsius and 60% airflow and without nozzle. We make circular moves to make the heat to go all on the pins. When you see all the pins it's melting, you can push down the joystick and take off. Now they are melting, as you can see, and I push down the joystick. And the joystick is out. Okay, we add more flags because we want to solder wick to take off the remaining solder from the holes. As you can see, this hole it's very hard to remove, so I will use in a moment a socket wick to make the solder go away. When you use solder wick, you need to use a lot of flags. When you can't remove all the solder from a hole, a good technique is to add more solder and try again. We use IPA to clean the pads and the holes. Okay, as you can see, we have two holes with remaining solder. So we use heat gun and solder sucker. Okay, now we put down the new joystick. You need to clean very good because sometimes if the flag is not good, it's making a lot of problems with potentiometers. And now we add the solder to the holes. The last thing we must do is to check if the controller is working. Thank you for watching. See you next time.